Let's pretend that we can fly. I know you're afraid of heights. In our minds we can fall down. We can cross suburban skies, find a place for you and I, far away from our hometown. And if you feel like you're lonely, I'll show you. Being in the clouds, it can still be a beautiful day. When you feel like you're stressed out, I tell you it's gonna be better. I can just lay here in the bed all day with you. I don't care what people say, who made the rules here anyway? We can be dreamers every day. We can be dreamers every day. I don't care what people say, who said we have to be the same? We can be dreamers every day. Kids again, close my eyes and count to 10. Is your hideaway somewhere close? Behind the tree, just round the bend, where we became more than friends. Never worry about growing old. And if you feel like you're lonely, I'll show you. Behind the clouds, it can still be a beautiful day. When you feel like you're stressed out, I tell you.
Change our lifestyle and trust our product. Quality and fair improvement. Quality to the product, to our lifestyle, and even about the style.
We can be dreamers every day. I don't care what people say, who said we have to be the same? We can be dreamers every day.
Welcome to Total Swiss. We are here in Taiwan. Here's what I found in this company, yung 5 Entrepreneur Dream. Ano po yung 5 Entrepreneur Dream? Yan po yung isa sa indicator ko kung bakit po pinili ang Total Swiss as my retirement company. Number 1, the product is unique. Ano uniqueness ng product? Merong instant effect na mafe-feel mo in 2 to 3 minutes. Number 2, the product is patented. Pag nakapatent na po ang product, hindi na makokopya. Number 3, first to market. Kayo po ang magmamarket nito simula sa family, relatives, friends, peers, sa community, and also to the whole Philippines. At hindi lang sa Philippines, pati sa global. Number 4, the product is consumable. Anything na consumable, may repeat order. So, ibig sabihin, tuwing may repeat order, may passive income. Number 5, the product is exclusive. Alam naman po natin, pag mayroong magandang product sa company, lumalapit ang mga iba-ibang company para magkaroon din sila. This is owned by Total Swiss, so hindi niya ito bebenta kahit kanino. Only ito po ay exclusive sa Total Swiss. Then number 6, the company is global. We are already in 16 countries. Pang 16 country po na binuksan ang Pilipinas. Now, ano ang advantage po natin? Ang product po, ang company po natin, when it comes to stability, stable na siya. Sa global direct selling, rank number 10 po siya. Kumita siya ng 1.28 billion last year. Welcome, join us. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Nicolaine Perez. Actually, sobrang grateful and sobrang blessed ako kasi in 2 weeks time talagang nakuha po natin yung travel trip dito sa Taiwan na all expenses paid by the company. Alam mo, sobrang ganda po talaga ng products kasi sa lahat po ng mga nakausap namin, sinishare lang namin yung ganda ng products and on the spot po talagang bumibili sila. So sa dami po ng mga gumamit ng products at nag-avail, so yun po ang reason bakit po na hit po yung travel incentive ng Taiwan. Ang message ko sa lahat ng mga gusto makasama sa next travel incentive, galingan mo lang, tanggalin mo lang lahat ng excuses mo, be consistent and focus. So, bitawan mo lang yung mga bagay na hindi makakatulong sa'yo sa goals mo para makasama ka sa next travel incentive. So, next time, kasama ka na namin. Let's go!
Hi po, ako po si Cherry Marteja, taga Sipokot, Camarines Sur sa Bicol. Na-try ko yung product, instant effect ng product sa akin, maganda. Mag-focus lang tayo sa products kasi ang products natin ay madali lang naman talagang intindihin. Once na patikim na natin yan, na-try na nila, automatic ang effect. Kaya yun, tuloy-tuloy lang. Hindi mahirap siyang i-explain kasi talagang ang product ay nagsasalita. Kahit hindi ka na magsalita, product lang, ayos na. Kaya madali tayong makapag-encourage ng tao para madali tayong makapag-director agad.
So my name is Stephen Pardesilia. I'm from Marikina. Actually, yung travel nating incentive, bonus na lang yan. Ang pinaka maganda kasi dito is yung marami kang matulungan. Ang products natin is ma-share natin to as many people as we can. Tapos once nakatulong tayo ng marami, ang bonus niyan is makakapag-travel tayo kung saan-saan at makikita natin yung iba't ibang mga lugar na gusto nating puntahan. So bonus na lang sa akin yung incentive, pero pinaka-importante is yung marami tayong matulungan sa ating product. It's a privilege na isa ko sa mga nakasama sa Taiwan, at yung mga gusto ring makasama sa mga susunod na travel, ang may papayo ko lang po is do your best. Ang travel is just a reward na pinaghirapan po natin by sharing the products, helping others na ma-achieve din yung goal na to. So for me, galingan po natin, huwag po tayong titigil because nagsisimula pa lang tayo and mas marami pa tayong ma-achieve po ng mga travel incentives. Mas tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. So yun po, marami pong salamat and thank you.
Whiskey, double shots, right here, right now. Need someone to escape with. Send that text, got the message, say my name if you need me, call. Take your time to figure it out.
抽奖活动以后，我们都会一个seminar，或者是
Don't let it slip away. Just call my name. Don't be shy, you got my number. Don't be scared to jump right in. I'll be there 6 feet under. Give me love and don't pretend. I remember a touch how we couldn't get enough. You run straight through my brain. I can't and won't complain. Run to my arms and stay. Baby, I'm out of my mind. Take your time to figure it out. How a one night stand could turn into wild. Don't let it slip away. Don't let it slip away. Just call my name if you need it. Don't be shy, you got my number. Don't be scared to jump right in. I'll be there 6 feet under. Give me love and don't pretend.
Ako po pala si Rodaline Soter, taga Davao.
Ako po si Dante Soter, taga Davao din. Kasama po kami. Una po, kalusugan. Yung ating product, number 1. Pangalawa, katulong tayo sa karamihan ng mga Pilipino. At pangatlo, yung retirement natin. Para po sa ating pamilya, health and wealth. Sana na po kayo. Huwag lang magpatumpi-tumpi pa.
I'm Rosario Uy from Manila, 76 years old. Ako naman si Christy Rice, Pasig, 65 years old. Kailangan talaga natin ang kalusugan. Sa akin ang nag-motivate to see our head office. And at the same time, we have this core seminar to gain more knowledge from our founder, Dr. Willie Wang. Yan po ang nag-motivate sa akin talaga na para mas magamit ako to help a lot of like senior citizens like us, and at the same time malaman ng buong Pilipinas kung gaano kagaling itong produkto na to na number 1 in the Philippines, not only in the Philippines but in the world.
觉得放开你，我们都没有那勇气 baby I'm sorry I'm so lonely 我们都没有错与对，找不到任何一个原因，没有理由的离开 baby I'm sorry I'm so lonely
Hi, I'm Kit Carbajosa from Davao City. For me, life is short. Kung dream ng iba na mag-travel, that they spend a lot of money, dito sa Total Swiss, we can travel na hindi natin kailangan gumastos. Kailangan lang natin i-share yung napakagandang products that make us healthy and wealthy as well. Ang message ko lang naman, not only for Korea, but for the mga future travel, be a part of our journey in Total Swiss. Napakaganda po ng produkto, napakaganda ng company. Kung hindi natin kaya sariling mga gastos yung mga travels, just like ang iba, so marami kasi sa atin, ang dreams talaga is mag-travel, no? Dito naman, share lang natin ang share ang magandang product ni Total Swiss. Maging healthy na tayo, beauty pa tayo, may pera pa tayo, and we can travel around the world. Thank you!
Total Swiss Yummy! Total Swiss Good! Total Swiss Yummy! Total Swiss Good! Nutrition!
Yo, Leo, Taito, Leo, Ufa, Walu, Haji, 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 Taito, Leo, Joti, Joti, 回想起来，刚开始的时间，两个人都在爱，都想办法离开，没有理由的。
I'm Dr. Annelie Toledo. I'm from Manila, but from Nueva Ecija, San Antonio. The product is amazing because per person it's different, but it's all ending up to be perfect. The product is very simple, giving you complete balanced nutrition on a daily basis, takes care of all the problem in the body because you're nourishing your cells, trillions of cells from head to foot. Sharing is caring, one person at a time. And if they know that there's a product like this, do not gatekeep. Keep on sharing. It's high time to take this product. Don't wait for the time that you will be brought to the hospital. This will make a difference in your life. Start now.
I'm Dr. Anthony So, taga Manila. Itong Fit Solution pala, kailangan natin sa katawan natin dahil bilang doktor, alam namin, kailangan carbohydrates, protein, fats. So, yung tatlo kailangan. Ang ginawa pala ng Fit Solution, meron tayong fats, which is DHA, tapos yung protein, which is yung mismong protein na lata natin, na vegetable protein, at yung carbohydrate, sinama niya yung dalawa sa loob para maging kompleto, para kailangan nating inumin pang araw-araw. So, ang Fit Solution, merong cell nutrition, cell mineral, cell energy. So, itong tatlo, nagbibigay ng pagkain sa cell. So, kompleto na because of the 140 vitamins, minerals, enzymes, probiotic, and many other things para to keep the body healthy. Gamitin ang Fit Solution at subukan natin ang Fit Solution kung kamusta para sa iyong katawan.
Ako si Randy Perlawan from Quezon City. Pinakamalaga yung basic talaga ng yung fundamental sa health and wellness natin, yung intake ng pagkain na what you take it. So, malaga talaga yung basic fundamentals ng protein, fats, DHA, and yung mga trace minerals, and vitamins yun. Bago ka magdagdag ng other food supplements, dapat talaga doon muna ang fundamentals yun. Magagamit ko yung natutunan ko sa Fit Solution para may share sa iba. Ang the best talaga, patry mo yung product. Very demonstrable talaga in minutes pa lang. In minutes pa lang, pagka-take mo, may mararamdaman ka na sa part ng body mo. Very effective siya. Then, after nila maramdaman, you explain to them what's that. At di nakatakot yun. It's a effect that cellular level ang epekto ng products natin. Try nila. Huwag sila matakot i-try at huwag sila matakot maramdaman. Pagkakataon pa, hindi pa ulit. Meron nga tayong mga stage for cancer na tinaningan na gumaling. So, huwag silang matakot na i-take yung product. Try lang muna nila. And then, the product will speak for itself.
Hi, I'm Annie Beth Domingo from La Trinidad Benguet, Pulilira Administrative Region, Philippines.
Ako po si Agnes Tasio from La Trinidad Benguet.
Po si Miss Aubrey Salvador from Baguio.
Ang Total Swiss product kasi, na-try ko na since November last year. Ang nagawa po niya sa aking health, pinababa niya lahat yung matataas na uric acid ko, cholesterol level. Tingin ko dito sa Total Swiss product, maganda siya sa kalusugan at madami siyang naitutulong sa ating kalusugan. So, lahat ng tao gusto niyang healthy. So, pumasok ako ngayon dito sa Total Swiss. Gaya ng ang nandito, ang yung kaibigan ko, siya ang head. Kaya, mas lalo kaming nainganyo na pumasok dito sa Total Swiss. Kasi ang kasama mo mga kaibigan, hindi lang kaibigan, mga kapamilya.
Ginamit ko muna yung product. Ang ganda ng effect niya sa akin kaagad. So, ginawa ko na siyang business. Ako hindi nag-antabala na pinaalam ko lahat din sa mga friends ko. Hindi ko hinayaan ang mga kaibigan ko na hindi nila ito malalaman.
Bukod sa pagiging health advocate ko, pinupush talaga namin yung natural na products. Maganda yung products ng Total Swiss ni Dr. Willie Wang. Bukod po sa mga free travel incentives, makikita mo ang iba't ibang lugar like Taiwan dito po. Magandang ibahagi sa ibang tao yung essential ng product natin para sa health po natin, sa family, friends, at syempre sa pagninegosyo, the best ang Total Swiss.
Kung kayo po ay namumblema sa iyong kalusugan at kailangan ng hindi synthetic na paggaling, join po kayo ng Total Swiss, malusog na kayo, maganda yung kalusugan ninyo, may oportunidad pa kayong makapag-travel sa iba't ibang bansa. Ang insentibong pong ito ay libre, bibayaran po ng kampanya. Madami po din kayong matutulungan, i-share ninyo sa mga nangangailangan, nakatulong na kayo, malusog na kayo. May pera pa.
Ang ganda ng company na Total Swiss. Sa dinami-dami ng pinasukan ko na multi-level marketing o kaya networking na mga binaries, ibang-iba itong Total Swiss na ito. Malusog ka na nga, kumikita ka pa, malaki pong negosyo ito. Hindi lang basta-basta negosyo. Ang kailangan kasi ngayon natin is health. Aralin lang natin kung paano yung negosyo niya kasi hindi naman basta-basta magnegosyo ka na walang patutunguhan. Ito kasing company na ito, ang dami ko na napuntahan na libre. So, hindi po nagawa ng ibang kumpanya. Kaya, ibang-iba ang Total Swiss. Iba yung product, iba yung effect ng product, natural po siya. Gustong makapunta ng iba't ibang lugar o iba't ibang country, dito lang po yan sa Total Swiss. So, come one, come all.
Ito yung proof na ang Total Swiss ay totoo sa ating advocacy na natural na products. Maganda yung product. So, ano pang hahanapin mo? Mag-join ka na sa Total Swiss para makasama ka na namin sa Korea next time.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life.
And also, there's a lot of
I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So
Total Swiss number 1!
Taga saan?
So, from Bicol, Camarines. Huwag ka na magdalawang isip, sumabay ka na sa amin ngayon pa kasi nasa pioneering stage tayo. Total Swiss, wala nang iba. Number 1 talaga pagdating sa products and then sa compensation plan. Tara na, sumama ka na sa amin. Go!
Hi, hello, I'm Jane Marcos. Nandito po tayo sa Taiwan ngayon at nag-i-enjoy. Siyempre, maganda ang accommodation sa aming hotel. Thank you, Sir Noel. Thank you, Dr. Wang. I love you so much. Mag-join na po kayo dahil talagang mag-i-enjoy po kayo at marami pa kayong makikitang kasama dito sa Total Swiss.
Hi guys, my name is Cedric Valencia and isa po ako sa youngest director na nakasama dito sa travel incentive natin. Sobrang natutuwa ako dahil nakasama ako sa travel na to. So ako, kahit nagawa ko. Bakit? Kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng product natin. Hindi ako napapahiya sa mga nakakausap ko. At at the same time, sobrang ang ganda ng opportunity na makasama sa travel na to. So kung ako, nagawa ko, how much more kayo. So dito sa Total Swiss, start lang kami ng January of 2025. Kaya nasa pioneering stage po tayo. So kung kami, nagawa namin, how much more kayo? So dito sa Total Swiss, sabi nga namin, nandito na yung pangarap mo, baka ikaw na lang ang kulang. See you.
Guys, we're presently here in Taiwan, and I'm very honored to become part of this travel incentive with training from the CEO of Formulator Policies. But not that just travel incentive, I would like to encourage you. Sana makakasama rin kayo for better health and for your loved ones' protection against sickness. This is one thing that is very unprecedented and phenomenal kasi pag nakita nyo kung gaano ang learning about health na talagang dapat mong i-cherish, which is your wealth, is your health. So dapat makasama ka rito. So I encourage you, come and visit. And if you want to know more, just ask us and we will help you how to give best health for yourself and at the same time, best wealth for your loved ones. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Total Swiss #1!
Hirap-hirap, ayun na, sa lakas ng hangin.